Hello, welcome to this program for Design and Technology. Our topic today is electricity and electronics. Today, we are going to show you how to wire a 3-pin plug using some basic electrical tools. A demonstration will be also given by our friend Mr. Tulsi, and some safety precautions will be discussed. You must have seen different types of plugs at home. Here are some common plugs that you must have come across. We have a 3-pin plug with flat pins, 3-pin plug with rounded pins, 2-pin plug with flat pins, 2-pin plug with rounded pins, and 2-pin European plug. Now, let us examine a 3-pin plug. In this plug, the pins are flat. We can easily see the different pins on the paper plan shown. The letter E denotes the earth pin, N the neutral pin, L the live pin. We can also see a fuse. In our case, it will be a 13 ampere fuse. Once the cover is removed, we can see the internal part of the plug. You can clearly see the fixing screws and the cable grip. The diagram here shows a 3-core wire cable. As you can see, it consists of wires of 3 different colors. The yellow-green is called the earth wire. The brown, or at times red wire, is called the live wire, and finally the blue or the black wire is the neutral wire. The schematic diagram shows the fully wired 3-pin plug. Please note that the cable grip is a very important part of the plug. Here is a 3-pin plug completely wired. You can easily observe the pins, the different colored wires, and the fuse. Now, Mr. Tulsi is going to show you how to wire a 3-pin plug. Please note that all experiments must be done under the proper guidance and supervision of an adult who is aware of all necessary safety factors and precautions to be taken.
Hi everybody, today we'll learn how to wire a 3-pin plug. This is a plug and this is a cable. Remove the plug cover by unscrewing the fixing screw, like this. This is a live pin, this is a neutral pin, and this is a earth pin. This is a fuse, and this one is a cable grip. Now place the cable on top of the plug and measure it like this with a marker. Now cut the outer insulation using the electrician knife. Remove the outer insulation. This is a live wire, this is a neutral wire, and this one is a earth wire. Place the cable on top of the plug and cut the wire accordingly. Using the wire stripper, remove the insulation of the inner wire and twist the end of the wire. After having twisted the end of the wire, the brown is alive. You get sometimes red, you get the blue is a neutral, sometimes black, and this is a earth wire, green, yellow. We put the live wire, which is brown, in the live terminal. Make sure to tighten the screw firmly. The blue wires go in the neutral terminal. And the earth wire in the earth terminal. Now we fix the cable grip. Make sure pull the cable to ensure that it's not loosed. And then cover it with a plug cover and put back the fixing screw.
After seeing how the 3-pin plug was wired, let us have a quick recap on the safety precautions that need to be taken. You need to wear safety equipment. You have to make use of the correct tools. It is important to identify the 3 different wires well, especially in terms of their colors. Please check all your connections well and make sure that wires are not touching. So today we have seen different types of plugs, different parts of a 3-pin plug. We also saw how a plug appears before wiring. And finally, we saw a demonstration of the wiring of a 3-pin plug, and we discussed the safety precautions that must be considered. We have now come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye and see you soon.